Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we will be visiting Tim's garden studio. Stay tuned and enjoy his garden transformation. Tim has set up a lovely studio within the corner of his garden, a space for him to work from home without any distractions, be 100% productive and most importantly find that work-life balance. Right, let's meet Tim in his garden studio.
Hi, my name's Tim and I'm going to walk you through my Dunster's Terminator log cabin today. After the joys of lockdown 1, we couldn't endure working in the house again, being interrupted every 5 minutes by the kids, so I made that investment. So let me take you on a little tour. Let me introduce you to where I've been working for the last couple of weeks. I've got 8 power points around here, own fuse board, wireless access points, multiple monitors. I've got my tea making facilities, one cup down there as well. I've got a guitar amplifier in the corner, a couple of guitars that I bring out here. Nice relaxing settee as well.
So the whole idea was just invest in the outside office. We had a dilapidated shed, dare I say it, mouse infested at the time, so it was a really good incentive to get it fully demolished. I had a couple of gents help me build it, went up in a couple of days. Security's great. So locking up at the end of the night, I feel pretty happy to leave what is actually quite an expensive Fender guitar amp and a few other guitars and the monitors and the Sonos and everything out in here. So yeah, overall really happy with the setup I've got. It's made a huge difference to my family life because we're not trying to mix living and working all under the same roof.
Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and turn your notification bell on, and we'll see you soon for another episode.